After opening your WhatsApp, you need to click on the three dots, then go a little down on settings. After here, you need to click on your name. All right, and here I added on my about. वक्त बदलता है लोग बिकते हैं. Just click on your about, and here's the WhatsApp new update. What is that? That is duration. Now you can add a duration of your about status on your WhatsApp. You can select it to a one, or you can select it to 8 hours. You can select it for a custom date. For example, I select custom, then I need here to add a date. For example, I want to make this about caption for next 30 November. All right, okay, then you need to also need to set your time. For example, 12:37 a.m. All right, I make this same. Then you need to click on the down check button. Once you do that, then your about status will be set for 30 November. Once 30 November is gone, then your about also replaced or will be removed. So guys, this is WhatsApp new feature, new update, which is cool one, and I hope the short tutorial and WhatsApp new update is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.